Guys, today we'll be discussing the formation of a rift valley, how a rift valley is actually formed. We know that there are textbooks out there which try to explain to us how rift valleys are formed, but we just tend to find the information and the explanation in those textbooks a bit too difficult for us to understand. So with me here today, I have a small simple equipment, utensils, to show you how a rift valley is actually formed. We're gonna be using domestic equipment to show you how a rift valley is formed. So just pay attention to what I'm gonna show you, what I'm going to do right now of showing you how a rift valley is formed. So just pay a little attention. Okay, I'm first gonna show you my domestic utensils. Okay, I have my eraser with me. As you can see, this is a very clean, full long eraser, whiteboard. Okay, eraser, rubber. I also have my red pen here with me, and with this red pen on this rubber, I'll be illustrating, I'll be showing you fault lines using this red pen. I also have my underliner, my straightener, my ruler, which I'll be using to make sure that my fault lines are straight. I'm also going to be using a knife. You can also use a blade or anything like that to cut your rubber, as you know that it's a very hard material. So as we're gonna start, I'm gonna take my rubber. Here's my rubber. I'm gonna put it here under laying. I'm gonna take my pen and I'm gonna take my underliner. I'm gonna put straight my underliner. I hope you can all see there. Put straight my underliner to give me straight lines, which will be illustrating or representing the fault lines. I'll be putting just my underliner. Let me just try and put it straight there so I can have equal sides of my landforms. And there you go, with your red pen, just simply indicate there, that's your first fault line, and then my another fault line, and then we have two upper side landforms. And then also again this side, just put your underliner a little bit across the eraser, and then you just indicate the fault line, and then just lip it through this side again. I hope you can see. Make sure that this fault line, okay, let me just make it there. Okay, there you go. Yeah, as you can see, I have three landforms now, and they are my fault lines. And just make sure that these fault lines are equal to these fault lines down there. Okay, and then after this, as you can see, it's still a landform, a normal landform, of course, a normal one. You're just gonna take your cutter or your blade. You're gonna slide or just cut through. Okay, let me just do this. You're gonna slide these. Okay, just gonna simply slide these, cut through them. As you can see, just this side again, and there you can see I have my three landforms now. Just simply put these landforms together again, and then you put pressure just there at the end of these. Okay, and just lift them up across the table, and slowly, just slowly pull the corner pieces apart. Slowly pull the corner pieces apart. Okay, slowly guys, slowly, don't rush. Slowly, 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 slowly. Okay, and there you go. And after I've pulled them slowly, you just see how they land in the middle of the fault lines subsidize, and the rift valley is formed. As you can see, there is a rift valley there, the rift valley. So guys, you can just do this in just quick easy steps. You can do it yourselves at home. It will give you a much better idea or a clear mind of how a rift valley is formed. So that's the end of our session today, guys. I hope you enjoyed our session, and I hope you now understand how a rift valley is formed. So ciao.